Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Adyen payments for mobile step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Adyen payments for mobile, ensure you have the necessary SDK installed in your development environment. Start by creating an Adyen account and obtaining your API credentials. In your mobile application, integrate the Adyen mobile SDK. Set up the payment method you wish to use within your application. Next, collect the user's payment details securely. Make sure to validate the user's input to prevent any errors. Initiate the payment request by sending the collected payment details to the Adyen API. Include the required parameters such as merchant account, amount, and payment method in your request. Handle the response from the Adyen API carefully. Check the response for successful transactions or any failure messages. If the transaction is successful, proceed to confirm the payment and update the user interface accordingly. In case of a failure, display an appropriate error message to the user. Ensure you implement proper logging to track payment attempts and errors. Once completed, test the integration thoroughly in a sandbox environment. After testing, proceed to go live by switching to your production API credentials. Monitor transactions closely during the initial phase of going live. Overall, ensure compliance with any relevant regulations and security standards throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.